Welcome to Pinvest.Exchange, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. New GST rules mandate tenants to pay 18% tax on leased commercial properties. Starting 10th October, new rules from the GST department impose a significant change on tenants leasing commercial properties. Under these regulations, tenants must pay 18% GST if they are registered under GST, but their landlords are not. This will be done through the reverse charge mechanism, RCM, placing the tax responsibility on the tenant. For tenants under the composition scheme, such as small restaurants, this could be especially burdensome. These businesses must pay GST but cannot claim input tax credit, ITC, potentially straining their working capital, according to experts. Chartered accountant Kareem Lakhani broke down the rules. When the property owner is registered under GST, they collect and remit the tax under the forward charge mechanism, FCM. But if the owner isn't registered, and the tenant is, the tenant now has to pay 18% GST under RCM. Regular GST registered tenants can claim this amount as ITC, but tenants under the composition scheme cannot, leading to higher costs. The composition scheme is available for small businesses with a turnover of less than 75 lakh rupees in the previous financial year. Those under this scheme will face increased working capital needs as they cannot offset the GST they pay. This impacts small manufacturers, traders, and service providers leasing shops, offices, or warehouse. If neither the tenant nor the owner is registered under GST, the new rules do not apply. In cases where both are registered, or only the owner is registered, GST is handled through the FCM, where the owner collects and remits the tax. The reverse charge mechanism only applies when the tenant is registered, but the owner is not. Most property owners remain unregistered under GST, meaning tenants will need to cover their RCM liabilities through cash or check payments, as ITC balances cannot be used for these payments, Lakhani added. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.